Hey guys, welcome back to Garfin's Creation. If you're craving for some spicy dish with some seafood, so this recipe is for you. Today we'll be making the spicy prawns masala. It's simple to prepare and very delicious. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So these are all what we'll be needing for the recipe today. Here I have taken 14 medium-sized prawns. These prawns are cleaned well, deveined and washed well. For the quantity of masala we'll be preparing today, you can take up to half a kg of prawns too. So these are the spices that will go to make the red masala paste. Taken 3 of those spicy chilies, 7 to 8 Kashmiri Red Chillies, 8 cloves of garlic, 3/4 inch ginger and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. We'll also be adding 3/4 teaspoon of Jeera, Cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of Haldi powder into the masala. We'll also be adding a pinch of sugar and salt and finely chop 2 onions and 2 tomatoes too. So we'll begin by preparing the red masala paste. I'll just break the chilies down into smaller pieces. Along with the red chilies, I'll be adding the garlic, ginger, Haldi powder, that's turmeric powder, the cumin seeds, and we'll be grinding this with the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'll also be using little water and grind this into a fine paste and get it back. So this is how a fiery red masala paste looks after grinding. So now once this is ready, it's time to make the prawns curry. For that I've heated a pan and be adding 2 tablespoons of oil into it. And once the oil and the pan is hot enough, we'll be adding the finely chopped onions. These are 2 medium-sized onions. And now we'll cook these onions till they are nice, soft and translucent. Cooking the onions on medium flame, this took me around 4 minutes to get it nice, soft and a little brown in color. Once these onions are cooked, it's time to add the tomatoes. I have chopped 2 medium-sized tomatoes here. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. And now we will cook this tomato till it's very soft and mushy. This will take me around 4 to 5 minutes. I did keep stirring this in between. And now once the tomatoes and the onions are well cooked, it's time to add the masala paste. After adding the red masala paste, I'll just give it a quick stir so that it does not get burned. Just mix it well so that the onions and tomatoes mix well with the masala. Next, I'll just rinse the mixie jar with half a cup of water and add it into the pan. Mix that as well. This prawns gravy should be thick enough, so do not add too much water. Now we will let this masala simmer and cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. Also do keep stirring it in between. So after cooking this for around 5 to 6 minutes, the masala is well cooked. It's time to add the prawns now. We will gently mix the prawns into the gravy. Let the prawns too cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. You need to adjust the cooking time for the prawns depending on the size of the prawns used. You can adjust the quantity of the salt and the vinegar in this recipe. So you can even add a little more vinegar depending upon your liking. So I've cooked these prawns for around 7 minutes and these look perfectly cooked. You can see how delicious and rich this prawns masala looks. It tastes absolutely delicious with rice, chapattis or even rice bhakris. So if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and also leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and to stay tuned, do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Coming up with more lovely recipes, so I'll see you soon in the next recipe too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.